Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I just wanted to show you the fabulous Myths and Magic suite. This is a suite that when I first saw I thought, ooh, look at all that bling, I love it, but it's also very kiddish looking and I'm totally not into Harry Potter or anything like that. I know, gasp, like some people, like I feel like it's a love or a hate. So, you know, like I'm not really like a huge mythical person, although I do love a good unicorn and a mermaid. I guess maybe I'm just not into dragons and wizards and all of that, maybe. So I first kind of glanced over this set and thought maybe, but maybe not. Then I thought it would be fabulous for kids, and I do have lots of nieces and nephews and cousins and everything like that that I could use it for. So I decided to get it, and let me tell you, I have been blown away. So I have made so many projects with this suite. I have fallen in love with all of the goodies in it, and I honestly feel like the samples that I've made could be for children and adults alike. So I find it is super versatile, and I will be using this set for a long time, and it is super, super fun. So some of the items in the suite are shown here. So of course there is the fabulous stamp set with the mermaid and the little warrior and the wizard, dragon, and the unicorn. Of course, there's a lot of other little like background images and stuff that you can use too. There is the coordinating Magical Mates framelit set that die cuts out all of those images as well as lots of other ones like water and greenery and stuff like that. So super, super fun. Of course, whenever you purchase these together, you can bundle and save 10%, so that's an extra bonus. And then there's also the washi tape, which the washi tape is just super blingy and amazing as it is. There's the iridescent, and then there's this silver with the stars, and then there's sort of like a blue and white stripe. Then there's some fabulous glitter paper, which I love using glimmer paper versus using powdered glitter just because I feel like it's more in control and a lot easier to use. So I've just used little pieces of it here and there, like a little piece to back it or a punched piece or something like that. It does come in these 3 colors, which is super fun for like water or for more masculine cards or then just for lots of fun. Then there is the Specialty Designer Series paper. So I will put a link down below so that you can see the full details of this designer paper as I did a video on that. But I will say that every sheet has a glitter side to it. So all of this designer series paper actually has a glitter side. So the mermaids are glittery, the stars are glittery, the night is glittery, like all of those have that fabulous little glitter accent to it, whereas the other side has a little bit more of a detailed, like simple background, just like a solid color, just a simple pattern that coordinates really well. So now I'm going to clear this off and bring in some samples just to show you what fun you can have with all of these products. So here are 2 fairly simple samples that I did. This one I just used a 4" by 5 1/4" inch piece of the designer series paper, added some washi tape and the greeting on a little label there. This one I actually stamped the dragon, colored him in with Stampin' Blends, and then I did die cut out his little fire to make it a little bit more 3D, added some washi tape and a greeting, and even used the star image for the background there. So there's 2 more simple versions. Then I have some more stepped up versions. So this one I actually used the rainbow framelits with the clouds, and then I colored in that fabulous unicorn and with the Stampin' Blends, and then picked the coordinating colors for my rainbow. I did add some Wink of Stella to the clouds, but you could also use some of that iridescent glimmer paper to have glimmer clouds as well. So that uses the stamp set and framelits. Then I have these 2 cards, which I used a lot of different products on. I used, this one I used the stamp set and framelits, I used that glimmer paper, I used the designer series paper, as well as the framelits for the greeting too. And then this one, I actually fussy cut out the two little mermaids. You could always stamp the mermaids and then die cut them, but I wanted the different hair color and the different angles. So in the stamp set, the mermaid is the same, of course, but in the designer series paper, you can see some of them she's longer, some of them she's a little bit shorter, some she's to the left, some she's to the right. So that's why I went ahead and I just fussy cut out, just, you know, like I didn't go super detailed, just around the little mermaids. I added some of the background uses the Seaside embossing folder. I used some of that Glimmer paper as well as the designer series paper, did some stamping with the bubbles on the background, and then the greenery pieces are from the Framelits set as well. So lots of super fun with this card in the different layers with those gorgeous little mermaids. So much fun with each of these samples, and again, I really feel like these cards are for all ages. They're not necessarily just for little kids. So let me know which one your favorite is. I would say my favorite is probably the mermaids, and then to be honest, I know I said I wasn't a big like dragon wizard, you know, fan, but I would say probably one of these two is my second favorite. So let me know in the comments below which one your favorite is. I hope that you try out the Myths and Magic suite from the Occasions mini catalog because it's super fabulous. And then of course when you get all of the coordinating products together, you'll earn lots of celebration goodies when you place that order in the month of March, because every $50 earns you a free celebration item. So that makes it even more fabulous to stock up on those goodies before the end of March. Of course, I'll be posting pictures of all of these on my blog as well as detailed information, so you can check that out at laurastamppad.com. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new by clicking down here, and check out some of my other video tutorials by clicking over here. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.